Hey guys, it's Danielle and I am back with a fresh and I mean fresh new look, you guys. I cut it all off. Y'all, my life is just too chaotic right now to be thinking about my hair and like what I'm gonna do with my hair, and did I wash my hair, and I need to wash my hair, and am I gonna do a protective style, and I need to wash my hair, and just it's too much right now. Too much. I have too much going on, too many things in the pipeline. So to free myself of some of that, I just zip. So yeah, welcome back, you guys. Today I am going to do an unboxing with you guys. I got some goodies in the mail that I've been waiting to unbox with you guys, so I'm excited to share these. Before I do that, to all of you guys who are new, who just clicked on this button and it's like, who the heck is this chick? My name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy. I have 11 wonderful children, and on this channel I pretty much talk about whatever comes to my mind. I've been really enjoying doing unboxings on this channel, so that's what I've been doing a lot of here of late. So if you enjoy unboxings and different things like that, feel free to click the button and join my little family. To the rest of you guys, my non-traditional family, my MVPs, love you guys. You guys are the MVPs, and I hope y'all like my new do, and y'all gonna stick with me through this. Anyway, let's do this unboxing. So the first unboxing I'm going to do is of this little bag from Aria. Hi Aria. And this is a diaper bag slash mommy bag slash crossbody bag. It's supposed to be all of those things. So I found her on Instagram. So this is a little Instagram shop, and she just launched her shop, launched her bags. So I saw this, saw pictures of it, and I was like, that is so cute. It's small. It looks like it's going to be efficient. It looks like it's going to be able to be used as an actual crossbody bag. That's what it was designed to do. So I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys. It took about almost 2 months maybe to get this in. So I've been waiting to unbox it. So let's open it up and see what this looks like. So of course, all my other diaper bags that I have, most of them are supposed to be like 3-in-1s. So you're supposed to be able to wear them crossbody, backpack, and then shoulder. However, I have found that I never carry any of them crossbody, and primarily because they're too big and I stuff them to capacity, so then they become too heavy to really functionally carry as crossbody. So I have not carried any of my 3-in-1s in crossbody style, so I am excited about this. Oh yay, y'all, you guys know I'm all about the packaging. This is so cute. Look at that. It has a little sticker that says I'm yours. That is so cute. It's the little things, y'all. It's the little things with packaging. Oh my gosh. So then it comes like that. Y'all, I am like super impressed with this packaging. It's a little gift in here. What is this? Oh, it's little hair ties. So it comes with little hair ties. It's not for you, Ghost. It's not for you. Lay down. Ghost, lay down. Every time I do an unboxing, my dogs are like, is that for me? Is that for me? My daughter does bark boxes, unboxings. So if you guys are interested in bark boxes, check out her channel. The dogs are always like super excited for their boxes, so they think my boxes are their boxes. But anyway, so this is her Instagram, so you guys go check it out, and I will leave it all linked below. But there is her Instagram and information for you guys. But that is so cute. That's just a nice little touch, you guys. Just a nice little touch. And that was in this little box. Alrighty. Oh, and then it's a handwritten letter. Tanya, thank you for supporting my small shop. I hope that you love your bag. So excited to see how you style it. XOXO. It's for real, y'all. For real. I am like... I'm just impressed. I'm just impressed. I'm gonna take it out. I'm like excited, y'all. I'm excited to open this. Packaging and presentation just elevates an item and a product to the next level. It just really does. Anyway, that's my rant. All right, here it is. So cute. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I love that. To the boss babe that's always on the run. This one's for you. Love the Hi Aria team. That was on the bag. So a little tag. So you guys, I'm going to pull up her website so that I can give you the deets on this bag. So this is a mini diaper bag, and I got the color Storm. So this is Storm. This collection is called On the Run. So I don't know if she's gonna come out with more collections, but this current collection is On the Run. So it's mini diaper bags. It's made for the moms who are always on the go and don't need a big bag for quick runs out with their toddler. It is designed to keep you from overpacking. I need that. I need that, y'all. I am a chronic overpacker. And prioritize only bringing the essentials along. This bag is vegan leather, so for all of you vegans and animal lovers, this will work for you. It feels super, super soft and just really squishy. So it feels nice, and it is smooth. It has like a pebbled kind of grainish look. And I think on this camera, I think that's probably coming up true to color. It's like a dark gray. So it's a darker, this tag is gray. So if that kind of helps show you that this is like a darker gray. And then the logo here, Aria, is kind of like in a textured stamp. So let's just talk about the outside. It's got gold hardware, 2 pulls here, so a front pocket right here on the bottom, and then the inside is kind of like a nylon. So the inside is nylon, so you have a full little mommy pocket right there, and it goes all the way around. So that's nice. Oh, this zipper is nice, y'all. This bag is nice, y'all. And then on the outside, at the top, you have your main compartment. The outside is also nylon, so I'm going to pull out all of the stuffing. It's nicely stuffed. And then we have some straps in here. Not for you, Ghost. Now I'm going to see how those work in just a second. Oh, it does come with a changing pad. I wasn't expecting that. So it does have a little changing pad. And this changing pad is super light, y'all. It's super light. And it's the same color. And then one side is kind of like, this almost feels like a silky kind of texture. I don't know if that's coming up, but it's like a silky kind of texture. Y'all, don't look at my nails. Don't look at my nails, y'all. So the inside has 1, 2, 3, and 4 pockets. So let's see if I can get this. Take that out. So right here in the back, is an insulated bottle pocket and then another insulated bottle pocket. So there's 2 insulated bottle pockets. They are pretty nice. They're a pretty nice size here. And then there's a front. There's a pocket right here on the front of the bag. And then there's a zipper in the back of the bag. So a nice little zipper. Can you guys see that? Right there on the back. So not too deep of a zipper. And so that's the interior of the bag. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. A total of 5 pockets total on this bag. So again, this is a mini diaper bag. So cute. And everything that included can be used as a charging pad, placemat, etc. Or I'm sorry, I was like charging. Changing pad can be used as a changing pad or a placemat. Oh, because this side is like kind of sticky and this side is more, I'm sorry, this side is like silky and this side is like rubbery. So placemat, because you can put this down and it's not gonna move. That is genius. That is genius. That's genius, y'all. This can be worn as a backpack because on her website I was trying to figure out if it was just crossbody or if I would be able to use it as a backpack. Y'all, I'm all about my backpacks. I'm sorry. I just love me a backpack. So this is the strap. And this, of course, is vegan leather as well. And it has the gold hardware. Now, these straps are, you know, they're thinner. They're thinner straps, so they're not super thick. So I'm not sure how that's going to be comfort-wise. But you guys know, I will let you know. The hardware on there is pretty good hardware. It's not like flimsy or anything like that. So I'm not really worried about the hardware breaking on here. Oh, and I forgot to mention on the outside there are 4 feet. So for those of you who like feet on your bags, it does have 4 feet on the outside. So that is nice. And it comes with 3 straps, which is nice. So you don't have to take the straps you have to try to make it into a crossbody. You can leave them on. So it comes with backpack straps and then it comes with your crossbody strap. So this is the crossbody strap and this is a nylon strap. Again, and not a very thick strap, but nice hardware on that as well. So, you know, I don't know comfort wise, but it's a mini bag. So technically, y'all, I should not be stuffing this bag to where it's like super duper heavy. So this is with all of the straps on it. Now this D-ring here would share, you know, you would share this D-ring with your crossbody and your backpack straps. So that's not a big deal. I mean, if you knew like you were gonna be going somewhere where you weren't gonna carry it in backpack, you could always just take these off and just carry it this way, or you could just keep this strap in your pocket or on the inside to be able to pull it out when you were gonna use it crossbody. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what this bag looks like on. So I'm gonna make the strap at its shortest length. So if you just wanted to kind of carry it as a little purse, this is at its shortest. This is what it would look like at its shortest length. Just kind of hangs nice and low. Flush with the body, which is nice. It's not bulking or sticking out at all, so I love that. It feels comfortable like this. Doesn't feel awkward or anything. So now I'm gonna make it at its longest so we can see for you taller ladies out there. So this is at its longest length. So you guys see that? It comes all the way down to my knees. So if you're tall, this thing is working. for crossbody. No questions about that. Here we go, crossbody on me. So as you guys can see again, can you guys see how this is like flush with my side? That makes it so comfortable to carry. Like it's just not bulking out. I love that. I love it. You can like, you see how it's just like super flush? Anyway, I love that about it. It makes it really comfortable. And again, this strap is thinner, so I would probably use my guitar strap with this, which is a lot thicker. But I mean, look how the bag is just flush with my body. So that's crossbody. And then backpack, I have it in the smallest length for backpack. So you guys see, look at that. So cute. And this is probably how I wear it like 90% of the time. I mean, every now and then I might put it in crossbody, but for the most part, I would probably wear this backpack style. It's just so small and cute. All right, you guys, so just to give you my final thoughts on this bag, y'all, I love this bag. I think that it is so super cute, super stylish. It obviously does not look like a diaper bag at all. I love the insulated bottle pockets, and I love the fact that they are on the inside of the bag, so it just keeps the outside sleek and chic. It's small, it's functional. I had the 12 little companion bag, and not because I wanted just a small bag to be able to, you know, carry, go out when I didn't want to carry a big diaper bag with me. And I ended up giving that to my daughter because it was just too small, and I didn't feel like it fit well on my back. It was like super tight on my back. So I did give that to her. This looked cute on my back. Like, I feel like it looks super cute on my back. It looked like it's for an adult and not for a child. So that is another reason why I think it's super cute and functional. This outside pocket is massive. I have the Note 10. Let me zip it up. So I have the Note 10, and look at that. It fits in there no problem. And I still have room for, you know, other things if I need to put in there. But I like that, how functional this outside pocket is as well. So I just really see myself grabbing and reaching for this. Like I said, well, we're just gonna be out. 11's 1 now, so I don't carry as much. Okay, I'm lying, I still carry a lot, but I don't carry as much. I think to have this is gonna be nice because I can go and do grown-up stuff and not necessarily have a big, huge diaper bag or a small purse. So yeah, I really like this. I mean, quality-wise, I feel like the quality is really nice. The stitching, I don't see anything unraveling right offhand. The zippers were super smooth. I mean, it just looks like a really nice quality. Can you guys see the stitching there? I mean, it just feels good. It feels good, y'all. I like this bag. So this bag retails for $94.99, so $95. So under $100, so not bad. And it feels good. It feels, I mean, it just feels good to me, y'all. Really, I like it. I like it. So I will be carrying this, and I will come back and do a full review over it and show you guys some of the ways that I pack it and all of that good stuff. If you guys have any questions about this bag or any other diaper bag, or would like to see any other kind of mommy bag, diaper bag, toddler bag videos, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Hit the bell button because obviously, because I cut my hair, my life is crazy. So don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload. You guys are awesome. I love you. Mwah, and I will see you next time. Bye.